In this video, I'm going to show how to use the assemblies for indoor backbone. That's estimating low voltage indoor backbone. Now here I have an estimate created here with separate sections. I've explained this in other videos previous to this one, but I created a separate section for indoor backbone. So sections divides or breaks out pricing. I'm going to go over to the right and click Take Off Edit. Okay, when I do, it's going to display the product catalog. Now I want to get to the assemblies. So I'm going to click the assemblies button. I want to go to structure cabling, which is low voltage. I'm going to click on the plus sign next to 300, and it displays the different assemblies for structure cabling. I'd like to explain that indoor backbone and outdoor backbone or outside plant are about the same. So I'm going to click on indoor backbone riser, and when I do, it populates assemblies down below. Again, I can move this over and unsquinch it if I want to. It doesn't look like I need to here. So I'm going to scroll down real slow here, but look, there's this is indoor backbone. It's copper multi-pair, 25 pair, 50 pair, 100 pair. I'm going to scroll down here. The assemblies go clear up to 1200 pair. And then it has coaxial assemblies, 0.5 and 0.750. Scroll down a little further here. Coax DS36 bundle, etc. Again, when you're learning Red Rhino, come in here and input an assembly and see what it consists of. And down here, finally, it is multi-mode and single mode or fiber assemblies. Okay, I'm going to input a couple different ones here. I'm going to scroll up to the top. Now I'm just going to put in a 25 pair. I'm going to put in a quantity of 25 pair, and I'm going to click Add. I've explained this in other videos, but here's what the output is. It shows some items here. It shows some items with a 0 quantity, and we know that that's just a memory jogger. If we need it, we'll put quantities in. But here's what I want to explain. Each assembly that has cable in it in Red Rhino defaults at 150 feet. Now, let's say that you know that this is a 175-foot run. You'd simply go in here and change this quantity. I'm going to do that now and change it to 175. Again, all these assemblies with cable in them default at 150 foot per cable drop, if you will. So notice that it has 25 pair termination at the closet. It has 2 of them. And the labor units over here, okay? So cross connections, if I needed them, I'd put a quantity in of 1. I'll do that. Tie wraps, if I need tie wraps, I'd put them in. Again, this doesn't have pricing for these items, but it captures labor for that, okay? So tie wraps, saddles, tags, and 25 pair test, okay? Now these items are 0 quantity. I'm just going to go ahead and save this. Then I'm going to go back and delete them, the items that are 0 quantity. Hold down my control button on my laptop, click on each item or line that I want to delete, go up to click the delete button and click save. Next, I'm going to scroll down and just show you one more assembly. The main thing for you is to get in here and just input one or some assemblies and see how it works. These guys work super fast for estimating. I'm going to scroll down and just do a 1 multi-mode 6 right here. So put in a quantity of 1. Oops, I didn't put a quantity in. Quantity of 1, scroll up to the top and click Add. Now, again, it's going to populate several items for the assembly. And again, this is a cable assembly, fiber assembly, so it defaults at 150 feet. Now notice on this one, you can choose either multi-mode or single mode. This populated with 150 foot of single mode. If you need, I'm sorry, I said it wrong. It populates 150 feet of multi-mode. If you want single mode instead, you would change the quantity here and 0, or rather 0 and delete multi-mode. Okay, I hope I made that clear. It input another 150 foot of inner duct, 12 SC connectors, and so on. Okay, so I want to explain that again. I'm going to go back and just save this and delete the negative or the 0 quantity items. There, it's saved. And there it is with deleted items. Okay, so just to explain again, the outdoor backbone, I won't show you that. It's about the same thing, but just get in there and try it yourself, okay? Now, I want to also just cover miscellaneous items here. Click on miscellaneous items. Notice it has ceiling supports, patch cords, dressing materials. Go try these out, okay? Again, these are assemblies, and they will give you several choices of items that you want to put in. Let's say that I want to put in miscellaneous fire stopping. I'm going to put in a quantity of 1. Again, this being an assembly, I'm going to scroll up and click Add. When I do, you see it lets me put the quantity of putty tubes, mineral wool, cable tray pillows that I want in here. And then if I don't, again, keep a quantity of items, I'm going to just put in, hold on a second, I'm going to put 6 cable tray pillows, 2 putty tubes, and just click Save. Again, so go test out some of these structure cabling assemblies and see how they make it faster to estimate. Okay, that's it for this time.